Hey guys, welcome back to our Sintered filter channel. In this video, we're going to explore how can our sintered porous filters support the wastewater treatment in lithium battery industries. Wastewater treatment in lithium battery industry, or from other new energy materials processing, is one of the most challenging filtration applications today, such as positive-negative electrode material production wastewater, heavy metal wastewater containing NiCO-Mn, battery slurry and cleaning water, etc. But why use sintered porous filters instead of traditional filter bags or polymer-based filter elements? This brings us to their three most important features. First and foremost, the finer micron rating design. Sintered porous filters can be designed with nano-level micron ratings, which are usually from 0.5 to 0.1 microns. Unique porous structure achieves the increased filtration areas, effectively enhancing its metal particle interception capacity, like for those tiny lithium fluoride particles. Secondly, stainless steel 316L is the most popular material used to produce sintered porous filters for treating battery wastewater. Excels in its excellent corrosion resistance. Compared with polymer filter bags or cartridges, stainless steel 316L filters withstand the aggressive chemistry of lithium battery wastewater, significantly reducing maintenance requirements and ensuring long-term operational stability. Thirdly, sintered metal porous filters feature higher mechanical strength that can support operation in higher pressure conditions and allow to be equipped in the filter devices with backwashing design, thus lower maintenance requirements and minimize downtime risks. Beyond traceable raw materials, nanometer-level precision design, and top-tier sintering quality achieved through advanced sintering equipment, Filson also places significant emphasis on the welding process during the manufacture of sintered powder filters. Ensuring the welding materials are the same as sintered body is first priority and necessary to avoid the weld seams fail prematurely in highly corrosive battery wastewater. We always utilize TIG or laser welding technique to ensure controllable heat input and minimal heat influence areas. Also, we focus on the consistency and stability of welding via our fixed welding parameters, qualified welding procedures, and traceable welding records. Filson helps you maximize water reuse and comply with even the most stringent discharge standards. Alright, that wraps up today's video. You could find our contact info in the below video description and start to discuss your project with us now. Don't forget the subscribe button.